Well, we do have our next speaker, Dr. Praveen Jain, the renowned homeopathy expert for pediatrics.
Thank you all the esteemed guests, and I thank Times Cyber Media, the organizer, for giving, and the jury who has recognized our service in homeopathy by giving this award of excellence in pediatric homeopathy. I dedicate this award to the autistic children who has given me and who has inspired me to work harder and harder every day. I specialize in pediatrics homeopathy, and my specialization is autism. Now, 1 in every 59 children today is suffering from autism, and there is actually no real cure for autism, and what the other therapies available can only support the child of autism but cannot recover or cannot make him a normal child. And today at HomeoCare, the specialized pediatric homeopathic clinic, having branches in India, almost 15 branches in India, what we do is we strive for these children, the autistic children, and all the disability disorder children, and try to make them as comfortable as possible and cure them from this disease. I thank you all for this award, and we promise that this award will motivate us to make HomeoCare a global brand by opening branches in all the major cities and take specialized childcare at the doorstep of every suffering child, relieving his complaint of asthma, autism, allergies, and many incurable diseases by giving them a new lease of life. I thank you all again for giving me this opportunity, and thanks to Times Cyber Media for this award. Thank you.
The next category of award for excellence in pediatric homeopathy of the year 2019 India, the award goes to Dr. Praveen Jain.
Today, I'm very happy to receive this award from Times Cyber Media. This award means a lot to me and to my team of HomeoCare. This is an acknowledgement of the clinical service we are doing since last 25 years in pediatrics homeopathy, and I am very thankful to Times Cyber Media for honoring me with this award of excellence in pediatric homeopathy.
Okay, share some health tips with our viewers.
See, basically what is happening in today's world is that most of the children today, because of the environmental pollution and the air quality and toxins in the environment, the air pollution, a lot of children are suffering from allergies and asthma. Like if you say the statistics, 1 in every 5 child is suffering from any allergy or allergic cough, allergic asthma, and a small child, when he's suffering from an allergic cough or asthma, the whole family gets disturbed.
Yeah.
The parents, they are awake at the whole night and they are troubled, and there is no real solution to this allergic problem. But at HomeoCare, what we have done is we have our unique concept of child observation room, where his innate characteristic, which is very vital for a homeopathic cure, is brought out. Now, this child observation room is a specialized pediatric room where we allow the child to do whatever he wants, and then we note down his behavior, his characteristics, and based on that we give the right homeopathic medicine. Now, this right homeopathic medicine, what it does is eradicates the asthma from its complete roots. Similarly, many cases of wheat allergy, skin allergies, these are being treated at our clinics.